Okay.
Alright, Junior, go to Home Depot, get these connectors. They got 4 little gold connectors in them. Then you're going to come and you're going to make yourself some jumpers off the Cat 5. You got 2 orange going to go in the middle, 2 brown are going to go on the outer edge for line 1 and line 3 and 4. For line 1 and 2, you're going to do the green, green, white on the outside, blue, blue, white in the center, just like so. Let's get these separated. So just like that. Then you got to get yourself different connectors.
For where?
Down here, because the phone jack is kind of messed up. The old one, like this one, only has 3 punch downs on it. You need one with 4. And as you see here, I got the brown, brown, white. I got a green, a blue, and the blue, white, and then a green, white, and then the orange, orange, white on the outer edge. As you see. Try to focus this in. There it is. Just like you see here. I know it ain't by what the color codes are in the middle, but you're going to have to do it like that. Then the other thing is you're going to make yourself up a jumper on the other end, just like this one. Got the orange, orange, white on the far right. You got green, green, white, then blue, blue, white, and then brown, brown, white on the far left. So just make them up just like this. Don't make it look like mine. Mine's just a demo. And then when you plug them all in, it'll light up like kind of like this. Got to give it a couple minutes because it's sinking in, finding all the lines, and then just start hitting line 1, line 2, 3, and then 4. You also got to be careful because the connectors on the back of these things are kind of crappy. And that's it.